a class 4 apparition. It's okay. She seems peaceful.
Taste that slime, baby.
I don't really know exactly what it is, but it's really hard to get off, and water, like, activates it.
Luckily, I've only been slime once, and that's all I needed.
Andy Weeder, set coordinator right here, did tons of tests with the slime, like buying it from all different effects warehouses and stuff like that, and just, you know, combining our own stuff to get this really stringy, crazy looking slime. It almost looks like visual effects.
We came up with a formula after playing with, I don't know, 10, 15 different recipes. Then we came across this product here. It's called Tractifier, which is used in the agricultural industry. And we had a little bit of non-toxic paint. And we'll fill this with 40 gallons of water. We had to buy a super industrial mixer with a couple boat propellers on the bottom in order to mix this. Nothing else would mix it. First thing I'm going to do is I'll add the color so it's nice and through. There's 32 ounces of this dye. Give that a mix. And while that's mixing, I'll add 64 ounces of the Tractifier. And then slowly pour it in. Your minimum mixing time is 5 minutes. And we're basically using 3 different viscosities, a 32, a 64, and a 128. And all that means is the amount of ounces we put in per the 40 gallons. The 32 we used on the floor because we wanted it to spread but still stay together quite a bit. When it would hit something and slime down, the 32 is a little thin. So we went with the 64, like with all the actors. Everything it needed to stay, so it had thickness to it, and then hang time. So it needed to look pretty bad. Then the 128 was whenever a hand or a footprint needed to step on it and it needed to slime up. We've gone through hundreds of gallons just for one little thing to a couple thousand gallons overall in one day. I don't know how many barrels we've had. It's a lot of slime. But it's only been 5 minutes of mixing. And you can see how it sticks and pulls itself out. We usually give it about 10 minutes and then let it sit for at least a full day. Then after the day and a half, you have incredible slime. This will be fun.
Here we go, let's roll.
Okay, 60 frames.
Well, I guess he going to Queens.
Everybody, how about give it up for these ladies?
The slime has it out for me. It knows where I am. Oh, God.
It feels like the slime is after me, personally. That's all I'm saying.